Hello, I'm Henry. I'm a lighting designer and I love light and design. And I'm very happy to introduce you today ArtMorph. This is world's first time to combine a LED display with an additional cover. So instead of having a black screen everybody have, you can implement a beautiful light source into your environment. The product is very well designed and lightweight, and it has a 500 by 500 millimeter frame. On this frame you can see 4 tiles, and each tile have 2 components. One is the screen and one is a replaceable cover. These are holes with 4 strong magnets, and it makes really fun to install them. So after a long life you can replace the cover with a new, and then the running time of the product is much longer. We already have developed over 150 different tiles, and we have put them in 4 different categories. So today we can presenting the wooden collection. Nature gives us a bunch of different styles of wood you can choose from. Or the textile collection, different fabrics with different outlooks. Or stone, from a very expensive look like the marble or the high-end stones, up to a very stylish concrete look. All is possible. And here are the metal collection. You can play with a golden or in copper, a brass, or even a mirror look to achieving different effects. And on top of all, we presenting the customizable solution. So every design you have in your head, it's achievable. Challenge us. Let's develop some wows, some new designs together. All these solutions using different technologies, from a printing to a filming solution, up to the real material collection. All is possible. To run this beautiful product, you need ArtMorph Play. ArtMorph Play is a well-designed controller. It comes with memory, and it's also designed and can matching the design of the order. So if you're using a stone, this plate can be also a stone. So you can realize what is my player. Inside this you can find a well-known technology, Nova Star Control. It's one of the biggest control systems for LED display, and we have customized the control to a very simple web control. So this means you are able to control the player by your phone, or by a nearby installed iPad, or even with a far away PC to change the content, or to upload content, or even to timing the content over the day. So you start with a good morning message in your hotel lobby, and in the afternoon you dim the light down and you wish everybody a good night. Sometimes you even need a more simple way to change the content. Use the remote. So for a cafe, okay, today I like this. Or let me have a look at this. So you can play with this remote solution as well. To explain to you how easy it is to install these products, let me show you. For a bigger area, first of all you install the frames. And the frames comes a very professional connector. So you're achieving a very nice flat surface, even if you have an old style wall. There are a lot of small details well designed to make the installation much more simple. And for the connection with the wire from up to down, we have designed a very nice hard plug, so you can call it even wire-free. But of course, at the end, you need to come up with some power and signal, so we have designed a combination. You can see here is a signal and the power, and only one socket allows you to connect. After a simple installation and a small setup, this product gives you the ability not only to change the light, turn it on, turn it off, you even can dim it. You can play with the colors inside. You can enhance a stone with a bluish or a wooden color. You can warm it up. And on top of this, you can send in messages. You can play text, welcome. You can play shadow content. Your lounge on the airport. Some birds passing by. Some clouds moving. Or some water waves gives you the feeling you are outside. You can give this room an emotion, and this with light. This will be an amazing feature for your design. And how does this look like? Let me show you.